Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raven Maureen and this is my weekly vlog where I share my sewing projects, my small business, making pattern weights, and just my everyday life. A few weeks ago, I had a free shipping on domestic orders sale in my shop, and I'm still packing those orders, which is crazy insane. I'm super grateful, but I have been busy nonstop with making orders and packing them. And when I'm in the process of making orders, I don't necessarily like to release new products. So the goal is to finish my orders and then work on some new product for Halloween. I've been pretty busy nonstop with just some major deadlines that I had to meet during this month, and so I wanted to make these pants between two projects that I have due very soon. And this was just something that I wanted to make for me, and I gave myself a day to complete it, and I did finish those pants. And I absolutely adore these. They're like a leopard rayon challis. This pattern was super easy to follow and to make, and I used the gathering method or the yarn gathering method to do my rows of gathers for those tiers on the pants.
I'm obsessed.
After I finished working on those pants, I started cutting the fabric for my Nomi pattern sew along, which will be coming out in a couple of weeks. But it's 3 pieces, and so I had a lot of cutting to do, so I dedicated an entire afternoon to this. Later that afternoon, I went to Zumba. Now, I know you're probably wondering, why am I the only one in here? And it's because class hasn't started yet, and my gym has pretty strict instructions about taking pictures of members, so I like to follow the rules with that. But also, when I have new songs, I like to listen to them over the sound system, because sometimes I feel like, depending on the acoustics and the room, the songs can sound different over the speakers.
Hey y'all, so I have
some errands to run today. Like, I gotta go to the post office. I have to cut a swatch of some fabric. I just realized. That was the realization. Yeah, I gotta get fabric because I have some projects that are due by like Monday or Tuesday of next week. And I gotta pick up some stuff for dinner. And I have to go to Target to pick up an order that I put in last night. So it's a few stops. Come with me. I'm about to jump back into the house actually and get the swatch of fabric that I need to match this fabric up. So hang tight, but come spend the day with me running errands. All right, I'm gonna run into this post office and drop off some packages. How you doing? Have a good day. How you doing? Good, how are you? Before heading off to Hobby Lobby, I am taking a detour to Starbucks. I have a hankering for one of their fall drinks. Oh, there it is. Okay. Yes, may I please have the iced apple crisp oat milk shaken espresso?
Size?
Grande, please.
Okay.
And then may I also have the ham and Swiss croissant?
Okay, a grande hazelnut chicken espresso and a ham Swiss croissant. What else for you?
So I asked for the iced apple crisp oat milk.
Okay, the iced apple crisp oat milk chicken espresso and a ham Swiss croissant. What else for you?
That's it.
Never wrong for me.
Thank you. Okay, I have this. Hey. Yes. Thank you. Can I get a straw? Thank you. Excuse me. Can I have some napkins? Thank you. I don't know. Maybe it was me. This is usually a very unproblematic Starbucks, but today was different. Just pulled up to Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna finish my drink first. I'm just kidding. All right, let's go in here. So this is the swatch of fabric that I went into the house to grab, and I'm trying to match the silver because I want this to be an overlay of the poly satin, and I think I'm going to go with the darker one because I feel like the lighter one could err more on the side of bridal, and I don't want it to be bridal. These two fabrics are from my Janome project. I plan to make some tea towels out of them. Okay, today I kept it under $50. I got some things for a Janome project and just some seasonal projects and just a couple things that I want to do this month. Alright, so I just left and I bought a whole bunch of fabric. Some of it's for my Janome project and some of it is for some clothes that I just kind of want to make right now. I'm looking forward to a softer October because September, it was definitely National Sewing Month for me. It really was. So now we are gonna go to Kroger. I'm gonna pick up like a couple of things for dinner and then we're going home. Yeah, home. So there is this salmon and orzo recipe that I found on TikTok that I want to try. We have everything except for the whipping cream and the spinach. And I don't want y'all to laugh at me, but I did get frozen spinach, and it's because I'm not a big fan of spinach, and if I bought the fresh bag of spinach, I know that beyond this recipe, that spinach will go bad. So I'm just gonna get the frozen one, and that's gonna be that. Okay, so I actually forgot that I had to stop at Target, so I'm gonna do that now. Alright, so just got my stuff from Target. I literally bought like just beauty products. Y'all, I need a more eco styler because yesterday morning I was literally scraping the bottom of the barrel. Y'all know I love my Dew Mousse, my Dew Mousse, the Crazy Sexy Curl. And y'all, this stuff smells amazing. But if you do this right, you don't have to do your hair for 7 to 10 business days. Mark my words. And then I needed more facial moisturizer, so I got some Aveeno. So that was it. $30 later. So
I am finally headed home, and it feels like it's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, but it's really like just 3 o'clock, and I'm gonna take my behind home now. I'm hot. It was a lot cooler before when I left the house, and now it's blazing outside, and I'm in this hoodie, so I need to come up out of this, and it's time to go home.
So a few hours later, I started working on my Halloween listings. The pattern weights are black and copper and then purple and silver. And yes, I am taking these with my iPhone. When I had my very first Etsy shop back in like 2017, taking pictures was an all-day thing. Like I would have to go outside or stand by a huge window and take these photos with my DSLR. So I am happy that this does not take as much time as it used to. The best part, I can load the listing photos right from my phone onto Etsy.com and make them live in my shop right away.
Okay, now that's cute.
Later on, I made dinner. This is how it turned out, y'all. It was so delicious. We will be making this again. Trust and believe. Thanks for watching.